Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Ashley for those of you who are new here, and for those of you who aren't, thanks for returning. And if you haven't already, make sure you check out my last couple of videos. I've got a Primark haul and a big beauty bay haul. I'm really sorry, I've got another haul for you guys today. This is only for now because I've just had so much stuff come in for my kit. For those of you who don't know, I am doing makeup artistry, which I'm starting soon, which I had to wait for my kit to come in. So this is literally what I'm hauling. It's all this stuff that I've got is for my clients. So there's a lot of stuff. I said this in my beauty bay haul, so I'm going to say it again. It might be really annoying, but just in case, I might have to split this video up into two parts, but I won't know until I edit it. So I am going to record a second intro just in case, but it will be really strange in the editing because in the second video it will start with random. It won't be like, so this is the first thing, it will just be really random cut. So I'm really sorry if that is the case, but hopefully I can get it all into one. Depends how quick I get through it because there's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff, but it's more so a lot of shades of things. So I've got like a product, for example, I've got a concealer and I've got like 18 shades in that concealer. So, you know, it's just a bit of, there's not that much, well there's a lot of stuff, but there's not like, oh, there's a lot of stuff. I don't know what I'm saying. There's a lot of stuff, but like, there's not that much. If I just took one from each thing, there wouldn't be that much. Obviously, I'm not going to go through every shade with you guys and swatch it and that kind of stuff. I'm just going to show you the product and tell you like the shades I bought and stuff. So I'm just going to get started. The first two things I got were pretty standard, pretty boring. These are the Duo Strip Lash Adhesives. I live by Duo Lash. These are the big sizes, so they're 14 grams. So I got the clear and I got the darker ones for thicker lash bands, and the clear is perfect for thin lash bands, so more natural lashes. I've used this for a very long time. This is the big tube, as you can see. That's what it looks like. It's really good glue, and these were, I think they're £5.99. Oh no, they weren't. They definitely weren't. They're like £10. Do I have my invoice in here? No. I'm pretty sure they're like £10.99, but they had 20% off for Halloween, so I took advantage of that. And also in the post, whenever you order with them, they give you 10% off your next order, so that's really handy. And this lasts a long time. Like the smaller ones I've used myself, they've lasted me forever, and then obviously I've got the bigger ones for clients because I need more. I'm going to go through it a lot. So yeah, I love that. It's so good. It lasts all day. It's literally amazing. So then, all I got from false eyelashes were red cherry lashes because I just wanted to get simple. I just wanted to get natural lashes from false eyelashes because I got more to show you after. So I've got 3 pairs of the red cherry 217 lashes. They look like this. So they're really like fluffy, kind of wispy lashes. They're quite long, but like not too long. I think they look really natural. They look still like fake eyelashes, like still like long enough. They've got a really thin band, which is great. You can barely even see the band. And they wing out as well, so they look really natural, and I love those a lot. I've actually tried those ones myself before. I have used red cherry lashes before, but not that style, but I thought it looked really nice. So I then picked up 3 of the wispy style, which I have used before, and I really like them. These are obviously more wispy than the 217, naturally, by the name. So that's what these ones look like. They're quite popular, I'm sure you've seen them before. And just for a comparison, I will show you against the 217s. Sorry. So the wispy ones, as you can see, are just more like feathery. They look like eyelash extensions the way they are, but yeah, those are both really popular. Like the wispies are really popular. I've used them before. I really like them, so I thought I'd get a few pairs of those. And I also picked up 3 pairs of the Harley style. These ones are a lot shorter, so therefore a bit more natural. They're still like, they're more longer in the middle than they are on the outside, but I think they look really nice. They're really a lot more natural than the others. But these are £3.99 a pair, so you really can't go wrong. Like, they're really good lashes, they last all day. The lash bands are really thin, which I like. And again, not everyone's going to want a full glam, thick lash, you know what I mean, like not everyone's into that, so I got some of those for that purpose. So the next lot of lashes are from Tatti Lashes, and how beautiful is this packaging. So I actually picked up 20 pairs, but when you do that you get 60% off anyway discount, and obviously I'm a makeup artist, so I like that. So I've got quite a few pairs. So I picked up 8 styles of Tatti Lashes to try out. So this one is the first one. I actually tried these out myself. Picked up 3 of these pairs. I tried on myself because I wanted to see what they were like. This is the style TL24. So they're really long, they're really fluttery, they look amazing on. And these are the Brazilian hair ones, 3D Brazilian hair. They're long from the inner to the outer corner, they get slightly longer in the middle and then slightly shorter again. They're kind of like layered and they look incredible on the eyes. I'm gonna go as quick as I can through these, okay? So we've got the TL4, which is kind of similar, but they're a bit shorter. So again, they're layered, they're still quite long, but they are shorter than the TL24s. But yeah, they're still nice and thick, which we love. Then we've got the TL3, which is slightly more fluttery. I'd say these are more like lash extensions. These are mink ones, which the TL4s are as well. But yeah, that's those ones there. Then we've got TL31, which is slightly more winged, so it goes shorter and then gets longer as it goes out. So that is those ones there. And those ones are Brazilian hair as well. Then we've got the TL1s. These ones are quite thick and fluttery. Again, quite a few layers on them. They're slightly longer in the middle. They don't wing out, but they still look really nice. That's those ones there. Quite thick, those ones. They're mink also. We've then got the TL22s, which are a bit more like spiky. Again, they're layered though. And again, they are longer in the middle rather than winging out. But they are so pretty. They're going to look incredible, like a full glam. I love those. They're really long. really, really long. And then we've got 3 pairs. I didn't tell you, did I? So I got 3 pairs of the TL4s, 2 of the TL31s, 2 of the TL3s, 2 TL1s, 2 TL22s, 3 TL24s, and then I got 3 of the TL10, which these are wind style as well. And they are also very layered. They're quite thick, quite long. They're beautiful. They're super fluffy. And those ones are mink also. And these ones, which I got 3 of as well, are the TLMITCHELLs by Mitchell. He's got those M's at the start. He's a makeup artist on Instagram. Love him. Obsessed with these. I really wanted to try these on myself, but I thought they'd be quite popular, so I didn't. But they're really thick, really fluffy. They look super natural. You know what I mean? Like they're obviously really thick lashes, but the way they are placed, they look really natural. And these ones are mink also. So yeah, I got all of those for £18, which is incredible. Thank you very much. I love the packaging on these, like they're unreal. So then I picked up a few things from Anastasia. The first thing I actually got from a random website. This is from London International Cosmetics, which is a website which does, I'm pretty sure from what I gather from the website, just sells things that are like discontinued or like no longer sold anywhere else kind of thing, or I don't know, it was really random, but they were selling the Anastasia Glow Kit. This is the Ultimate Glow Kit, which they no longer sell, I don't think. It wasn't on Beauty Bay, it wasn't on Anastasia, it was sold out on Cult Beauty, so I really wanted it because they're £6, so I was like, I really want that. And I got it for £29, which is incredible because it was £47 when it was out. And this is what it looks like. There's 6 shades in there, so we've got Snow, which is a really light white kind of shade. We've got White Sand, which is like a bronzy gold. We've got Golden Dawn, which is like a true gold. They look very similar on camera. We've got Sunray, which is again quite a bronzy gold. We've got Amber Gold, which is more of a rose gold, but it's a bit darker. And then we've got Hot Sand, which is a really dark one. So I'm going to swatch Snow, Amber Gold and Golden Dawn. So that is what they look like. So that is what they look like on my finger. Then on the back of my hand, snow. I don't know what I just said they were. But that is them swatched there. That last one was awful. I don't know how I did that. But yeah, so that's what they look like. And I'm so excited to try this. It's just so handy to have 6 highlighters in one palette, because I also got some Ofra highlighters, which you would have seen in my Beauty Bay haul, but it's just a pain to have to carry so many single highlighters. So that's going to be really handy for me, and it works for both lighter skin tones and darker skin tones, because they've got such a wide range, and they're all quite gold, which I love because I love gold highlighters. So then from the actual Anastasia website, I picked up 2 things. I got the Anastasia glitter adhesive, which is 9ml. That's not going to focus. Oh, it did. Okay. So I got this because I got some of their glitters from Beauty Bay. And I wanted, because I usually use like the Too Faced and the NYX glitter glue, but I've always seen people use liquids, so I thought as soon as they brought this out, it'd be good to try with their glitter. So that's what it looks like. I'm not too sure how you're meant to use this, because naturally I've only ever used glitter glues, so I'm gonna have to look it up, because I'm not really sure if you like brush it on the eyes or if you mix it with the glitter. I'm not really sure. But this was, I think about £18, maybe 15, I'm not sure, but it's a really good size. There's, how much in here? 9ml, obviously you're not going to need a lot, so that's going to be really fun. I can't wait, and I love the packaging on it. And I thought it would be the best thing to get to go with Anastasia glitters. And I also picked up the clear brow gel, because I used to use this. I ran out of it and I didn't repurchase it because it's £23, and I'm just like, I'd rather spend my money on like more exciting makeup products, but this is so good. And seeing as I'm doing clients makeup, I'm gonna need a good brow gel, so I can't really show you because it's silver, but I'll show you the tip. That is what it looks like if you haven't seen it before. It's really good and literally makes your brows stay in place all day. But yeah, it's £23. I'd recommend it if you do your brows a lot. If you don't, then I don't. But it is amazing. I would never use any other brow gel, but I ran out. So that is what I picked up from there. And then Urban Decay, I just got this one thing, which is the All Nighter Long Lasting Setting Spray Full Size Duo. Now, I use the chill version of this because I've got dry skin, but I just bought this duo because it was £36, and I think the sprays themselves are like £23.50. So for 2 full sizes at £36, I was like, yeah, go on then. So I obviously got one for my kit and then one as a backup. They're both going in my kit, like I'm not cheeky. But they both come like fully boxed, so if you wanted to get this for like a gift, you could get like one for yourself and one for a gift for like £18 a bottle, which is incredible because they're like £5 more than that. So that is what that looks like. Obviously I'm sure you've all seen these 100 times. They're the best setting sprays. They are by Scandinavia, which is probably why, because Scandinavia used to do that one. Not sure if they still do it anymore. It's Model in a Bottle. That's by Scandinavia. Everyone used to rave about it, didn't they? Like back in the day on YouTube. So that is what it looks like. Obviously it's incredible. You've all seen it 100 times. So yeah, I can't wait. It's gonna be amazing for like brides, proms, you know, nights out. People want their makeup to last. So it's good to have a good setting spray. So whilst I'm on higher end products and also talking about setting, I thought I would show you guys the setting powder that I've chosen. So let me tell you a little story. I was going to get the L'Oreal True Match powder because I use that a lot, but I kept trying to get it and it was like sold out in so many shades everywhere. So I was just like, the other powder I use is MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural. So I was like, you know, like they're like £25. So I ended up going on Debenhams and they're reduced to £22.95. So I picked up six of them. So I use the shade Light Plus. I picked up Light for my fairest skin girls. So this is quite light actually. I didn't realise how light it was going to be. Bearing in mind I ordered these online, so I couldn't really tell. So that is what that looks like. Okay, the ring light's making that look very white. So maybe that's not it's not that white, honestly. But these are so creamy. They're such good powders. I've had mine about 2 years and it's lasted me. They don't have any flashback, they look really natural in the skin. In fact, I put it on today, like I did do a complete drugstore face, but I didn't have a drugstore powder in my shade. So I used this one in Light Plus, which is great. So I also got the shades medium, I'm not going to show you everyone, medium. I got medium tan, which I'll show you. I'm just going to pick like 3 to show you guys. It looks like this. It's quite a warm shade. It's a warmer shade because obviously it's the golden, oh no, medium tan. Sorry, I have also got medium golden. Medium tan, which, yeah, that's really good for those of my clients who fake tan. It's got a nice warm tone in it. And then we picked up medium golden, dark golden and dark deepest, which I'll show you. So yeah, 6 shades in this. So I kind of cover the board, you know. So this is dark deepest, obviously this is for my dark skin girls. Yeah, so that's going to be great. They're just such beautiful powders, they're incredible, so I don't mind splurging on them because the setting's really important. Also, whilst talking about setting, I picked up 2 of the Laura Mercier loose setting powders in the shade Translucent. I live by this. This is the best under eye baking powder ever. I do a dark shade which I want to get, but I didn't have it when I went to go and get this, so I just got 2 of these because I will go through them like no tomorrow. And it's good to have a spare because you never know when you're going to run out because the sifter. So yeah, 2 of those. It's so expensive, but trust me, it's so worth it. If you've not tried them, you really should. So I picked up a moisturiser from Asos because I love this. I swear by this, so obviously I'm going to use it on all my clients. This is the L'Oreal Hydrogenius moisturiser. Even if you've got oily skin, please moisturise. It's so important. Like, the oils in your skin aren't really moisturising to you. You can obviously get moisturisers for oily skin, so just, you know, moisturising is very important. It keeps us young. So the one I use is the dry and sensitive skin one. It's incredible. Like, it's just so soft. I'm intrigued to see if the other ones are any different because obviously I've never used them, but I'm intrigued to see what they're like. And obviously I'm going to have a range of clients with a range of different skin types, so I thought it was really important. So I've got the normal to combination skin also for my more oily girls. And I've also got the normal to dry skin one for those of not that dry skin, not sensitive skin, just a little bit dry in areas. So I've got 3 of those. They're actually reduced. They're normally like £10. I think I've paid like 7 for them, which is really good. And they last a long time because you get 70ml, which is pretty insane. And then I picked up 2 mascaras from Asos because I swear by these. These are my favourites, so obviously I'm going to use them with my clients. So first of all, I got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I got the waterproof version. I've never actually tried the waterproof version. I've only ever used the standard version, but I really like it. And obviously, if people are going out or getting married or whatever, waterproof mascara is needed. So that is that. And I also picked up the They're Real Beyond mascara, which I love this. And also I really love the primer, but I didn't get that this time. I just got the mascara, which I love. Again, I'm not going to open them because I don't want to open them until I start using them because it's such a waste. So yeah, I got that one. And how much are they? I think this one's £19.50 and this one's like £22. Not really sure, but 10% off student discount, so I don't know. But I paid like £40 something for all of this stuff, so yeah, I don't know how much they are, but they're really good mascaras. I really recommend both of these. I'm not a huge mascara gal, like I'm not that bothered about mascara because I wear lashes a lot. Okay guys, that's going to go ahead and conclude this part of the haul. It's taking me so long. So if you want to see what I got from, I'm going to give you a little hint. We have got Morphe, we have got Inglot, we've got Superdrug and Boots featuring like Revolution, Maybelline, NYX, etc, etc. And a bit of, what else have we got? Peaches and Cream, we've got L'Oreal. That's it. So if you want to see that stuff, make sure you watch my next video. I'm not sure when it'll be out, probably in the next couple of days. And if you haven't already, go and check out my Primark and my Beauty Bay hauls. And make sure if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit subscribe below so that you make sure you see the next part of the video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you very soon.